I have not done this in a hot minute, so I don't know how well this is going to go.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Anita, and today I got a package from Rare Beauty and I'm going to be unboxing it with you. They sent me their new Discovery eyeshadow palette and along with some other goodies, so I'm so excited to be unboxing this with y'all today. I actually already opened it, I know what's in it, but I thought I'd show it again on camera. And yeah, so let's just get into it. So the first thing in here, I already opened it, but the first thing in here is the handheld mirror, which I am so excited about this because I wanted this mirror for so long. I just kind of wanted a handheld mirror, and like I know Kylie has one, but I don't know why, but I think it might be like a shipping issue, but they don't ship mirrors to Canada. Like Rare Beauty doesn't ship to Canada at all. Like you have to purchase Rare Beauty at Sephora, so I was super bummed that I wasn't able to grab this mirror, but luckily enough they sent it to me, so I'm so thankful for that, and I absolutely love it. It's just a regular circle mirror. It says Rare Beauty on it, and then I don't want to blind y'all. How do I do this? How do they do this? I'm just going to leave a picture here of what it looks like. But like on the mirror itself, there's like a little inscription and it says, "I am beautiful," which I love that. It's like a little like reminder that like no matter what you look like, you're always beautiful. You're always beautiful all the time, and I love it. And then the second thing in here is send me some little clips. Again, like these are like merch stuff that they have that they sell exclusively on their website that you can only get in the US, which kind of sucks. But I'm hoping they'll expand. And then I got some stickers. Again, these are just like little decal stickers that you can purchase off of their website. I think it's like $5, and they're super cute. So yeah, the big thing in this box is the puffy tote, and it's so cute. It's just a little like kind of soft tote bag, and it's just kind of like perfect to go out in, I guess. So I'm happy that I have this one that I can start using, and it's actually really nice because it's embroidered instead of like printed on. And of course, the last thing in the box is the new Discovery eyeshadow palette. This is the True to Myself one. I think they have different versions. I'm not sure. They only sent me this one, or they might come out with different versions. So this is what it looks like. It's so cute. I love how sleek it is because it's like perfect for traveling or like just putting it like in your makeup bag like on the go. And it's like not bulky. It's super light, and it's just really good to travel with, and I absolutely love that. I'm absolutely obsessed with the packaging. It kind of looks like a ring tray, if that makes sense. Like you just put like your rings in like a cute tray. I also love the baby pink packaging and the gold detailing. I think it's so chic and it just fits their brand so well. And this is what the inside of the palette looks like.
It's literally such a beautiful warm neutral palette that's perfect for every day.
It's a palette that has 7 ultra smooth and richly pigmented shades in a range of finishes from pearl, metallic, matte, and glitter. So excited to get into this palette and show you a look using it.
Okay, so I'm priming my eyes with some Rare Beauty concealer. I'm taking the shade Genuine, which is like a matte peachy shade, and I'm just running that through my crease as my transition shade. Then I'm taking the shade Loyal, which is like a medium warm brown, and I'm focusing that on the outer part of my eye, in the V, and just dragging it in my crease when there's less product. Then I cut my crease with some concealer, and now I'm taking the shade Passionate, which is like a beautiful kind of duochrome magenta with a gold shift to it, and I'm focusing that on the center of my eye to the outer third of my eye. Then I'm taking the shade Positive, which is like a pearly pink champagne shade on the inner part of my eye. And then I'm going back into the shade Passionate to blend the two together, and then doing the same with Loyal and Passionate. Then I'm taking some glitter glue, and on a small liner brush, I'm just going to draw a line from the inner part of my eye to just about where Passionate ends, and then I'm going to take a different liner brush, pick up some of the glitter in the palette, and place it along where I put the glitter glue and just press it in. The glitter shade is called Accepting, and it's so beautiful. It's like a rose gold kind of bronze color.
Okay, so I just did my foundation. I tried out like a TikTok trend that I saw in there. So basically what you do is you just add your foundation. I took the Rare Beauty one. This is my like favorite foundation, as you guys know, and I just kind of dotted it everywhere, and then I took my setting spray and I just misted my face, and then I blended it out. I waited for it to dry a little bit and then I blended it out, and literally changed my life. So if you don't follow me on there, definitely should. I leave my ad right here and you can go check that video out. I'll leave a screenshot of where it is, and yeah, so I'm just gonna get on with the rest of my makeup. So I'm gonna take the Fenty cream bronzer in the shade Macchiato, and I'm just gonna bronze slash contour with that. Stipple it on like that.
I'm highlighting my face with the Rare Beauty concealer in 190. I'm using the Tilbury blush wand in Pinkgasm, which is my current favorite blush. It just gives you the most beautiful radiant glow on the cheeks.
This powder is literally amazing. If you haven't gotten your hands on it, you need to go get it. Like, this powder literally makes your pores look non-existent, and it gives you like a flawless, like literally like airbrush finish. I'm just going to kind of like press and like roll essentially, so like that, and I do that on the bottom of my face. Okay, so I just finished off my eyes. I put on some Lilly lashes. This is in the style Miami Lite. These are like my favorite lashes so far. I really love her lashes. They like literally make the biggest difference. I just did my lower lash line, so I did a little bit of these two shades again. What I use, I transition my outer crease, and I just run that in my lower lash line. And then I also added some brown eyeliner to my waterline so that my eyes can like pop a little bit more, and I think the brown really complemented the colors. I'm gonna do some bronzer. I'm going to take Benefit Hoola. This is like an OG, and take the Kylie Cosmetics Queen Drip highlighter. I really like this one. There's like a little bit of a pink reflect to it, so it's perfect because I have like pink on my eyes and pink on my cheeks. And I'm going finally, I'm going to set with my Rare Beauty Always an Optimist Form of Mist. I had to do my lips off camera because my camera is dying, but really quickly I just took the Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner and the Pillow Talk lipstick, and I just did my lips. This is my favorite nude lip combo recently. Really love that. This is what the finished makeup look looks like. I am obsessed with the way my eyes turned out. I know that like earlier I wasn't sure about it, but I think I really pulled the look together. Just some quick thoughts on the new Rare Beauty eyeshadow palette. The mattes were so creamy and buttery. They literally blended out together like a dream. Like, it wasn't patchy or anything when I layered them together. The metallics were really pigmented, and I didn't really have any problems applying them. One thing that I just don't really like about the palette is that the middle shade, which is like the biggest shade here, is a glitter. Personally, like, I'm not a big fan of glitters. I don't use them in like my everyday routine. So that kind of sucks because I probably won't be using this shade as often. I wish it was like one of these smaller shades, and like the middle shade was like a different shade or something like that. It's like all curves, so like if they split it and like made two more shades and then had like the glitter in like the small center, I think that would have been cool, because again, like, I don't think a lot of people use glitter. Well, personally I don't. So yeah, but other than that, I really like this palette. I don't know when it's releasing. I will leave like details here when I find out. So thank you so much for watching. I think this video is kind of a mess. I haven't done this in a while, but I am in my new filming spot, so I am so excited to continue making more content for y'all and like just up my game a little bit more. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe so that you don't miss a video when I post it. And thank you so much to Rare Beauty again for sending me the palette, and along with the other goodies. I am obsessed with all of them and I am forever grateful. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to...
I don't know how to do this anymore. Okay. Welcome, my name is Anita. No, wait, on camera.